It's your boy Umasonic 2016.
Storms with localized flooding possible between noon and 10 p.m. this evening. Scattered showers and thunderstorms are expected to develop across the region this afternoon and evening. The activity should develop in the Hartford to Springfield metro areas between noon and 3 p.m. The Worcester area between 2 and 5 p.m. and the Boston and Providence metro areas between 3 and 6 p.m. The activity should wind down by late this evening. Some of these storms may become strong to severe, with the main threat being localized damaging straight-line wind gusts. While severe weather is possible across the entire region, the greatest risk is across interior Massachusetts and Connecticut. There also is the potential for localized flooding, particularly if the heavy rain occurs across an urbanized area. Those with outdoor plans this afternoon and evening should keep an eye to the sky and be prepared to seek an indoor shelter if threatening weather approaches. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 523, effective until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Rhode Island, Kent, Providence, and Washington, and Block Island Sound. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means that conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds, in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.